Today is the last working day of Jasmeet with us. So he spent a large time, he spent quite many years with us. So from the Technisys family, thank you so much Jasmeet for contributing to the success and the ideas and making Facebook Live of the Technisys family everywhere we go. So I would request his team members, whoever has worked very closely with him, to share this creative. This is the farewell creative that everyone has made. So all his team members who have worked with him in all the entire company can come and present him. Everybody who's ever has worked with him, please come. It's the last moment with him. Let him stand in the center with the
थोड़ा सा फोटो वाले उसमें आ जाओ।
Ravi, please move.
रवि आजा आजा जगह है। हाँ हाँ जिन्हें मर्जी आंदे बाइड है
Too much of English.
रेडी नहीं ठीक है सर
Anybody left, please come. Anybody left, please come. Please come.
नहीं,
अगर आपके पास टाइम हुआ तो
he ordered me to shoot that.
Please come.
ऐसा है कि सिमरन सबसे छोटी है।
रेडी अब पग वाला कौन है? हाँ चलो एक करते हैं। आज ज्यादा बढ़िया होती है मैं करना।
इसमें सारे आ जाएंगे।
यार सेल्फीज बाद में ले लेना।
रेडी
Thank you so much.
Amazing.
I'll request Jasmeet to please share his journey with us.
कहाँ घुसे जा रहा है?
Jasmeet just said me कि record करो सर। I'm just recording. He wants everything logged ना, that's why.
Good evening, everyone. So, I'm once again standing in front of all of you for the last time. It's a very emotional moment for me because the day I started my career in this company, I was just keening to learn the things, and I was looking toward the people, like how they work in the IT industry, how they are growing in the IT industry, and how dedicatingly they are working in this professional field. Because in my family, my two elder cousin brothers, they both are in the same field, and I look forward to them whenever I need any help. So seeing them, I was there in Chandigarh, and then coming back to this hometown, nearby hometown, I feel very blessed that I got this company to work in this my career. First of all, I want to thanks to God, and then thanks to Dennis sir, who always support and helped me to being part of this opportunity of this organization. So please big round of applause for Dennis sir. He is the man behind my success, because he was the first person who take me a step ahead towards the Technisys. So I'm very obliged for that step, sir. I'm really honored for that, and I will always remember this thing for my whole life. It's unforgettable moment for me that I was part of the Technisys, and I believe I will be always part of Technisys, because everyone here is not only colleagues, everyone is like my family, and I look forward to all of you whenever if I need help. You can also look forward to me whenever you need any help. So now coming back to sharing my project's journey, it was great experience. I started with I used one word in my first year anniversary speech that my first project here in Technosis was with one and only the charming lady Shruti Vishisht. So she really helped a lot. Like
Hello?
I never worked in JavaScript
Acha,
at
bol.
that time. I was very weak in jQuery. So
Sahi
we
hai, tum bata.
worked on a quiz Riva. That was an app project in which she really helped me and sharpening my skills in jQuery and client-side stuff. So
Smith
really
Kivdai.
thanks to you, Shruti. And then you all
Smith
know there was a
Kivdai.
project, and still we have that project. I think in the maintenance
Kya ho
stuff, Agendia, which helps each one of us to being a pillar of that project because that project really guide you to work on the things. And thanks to Amit, Nitin, Sunny Vora, they all three were like masterminds of Agendia, and they really helped everyone and all the teams to take together. Then after that, I got MVC staff projects. That was also very great journey. There were team members who are not with us right now, but they all were great leaders. All were great in their own specific field, and they really guide a lot. And now I will specially want to thank all my team project members who are here. Special thanks to Parveen, Maninder, Siman, with whom I have worked on, and Sonam as well, with whom I have worked on Vantari, Biocept, and in Northwest I worked with Nitin, Ravi, and in Verdun Brown I also got a chance to work with Ravi, Gaurav, Shruti. So there are a lot of memories and lot of good part of the journey which I have in my heart and will always be there. And from last year, I really want to thank Raman, and she really come up with a spark in this. And from last year, the innovative ideas, the creativity she brought up in this company, I really hats off to you. The way you are doing the job, I really appreciate your job. Thank you. And really, at last, because I know I will not be able to talk to you like guys with like this, so I just want to say, like, be confident, be dedicated, and be believable in yourself that what you are doing, you should believe that yes, I will achieve that, and I'm sure that you all will succeed one day. Whatever the goals you have, you will especially reach that goal. Just believe in yourself and make sure that keep others as well moving with you as well. Not make them push back, make them push further as well along with you. So that is my thought, which I believe can help you in your career. So that's it from my dear friends. I wish I could stay, but still there, as you all know, it's life. We have to move on. So these are the words I can say. Thank you. Thank you very much.
गाने भी तो थोड़ी है स्पीच एंड
Okay. धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुक जाए जो मंजिलें. Sorry.
पंजाबी
I'm not able to actually. I'm very emotional right now.
पंजाबी
मेरा गला बहुत ज़्यादा भारी हुआ है, मैं गा नहीं पाऊंगा. I would say, like, first of all, let people talk. Then at last I will sing the song. At last.
सोनू आ गया सोनू आ गया यार
Sonu.
First of all, I just want to wish you. Thank you. I haven't worked with him, but yeah, if I talk about his personality, his persona, and what kind of person he is, he's a very versatile person. He works as a developer, he's a singer as well, he's an athletic person as well. And one thing which I remember means I remember my birthday doesn't mean, but he knows everyone's birthday, everybody's birthday. We're just waiting here who from the family is going to first wish us. He is the right. He is the first person. He knows each and every birthday of every person. So I think this versatility and like I heard from the people as well, he's so dedicated and passionate for the work and the kind of yeah.
Whatever he does.
Work is not related to our government. Work is like each and everything that we do in our daily stuff. So I think he is so passionate and dedicated. So I think that's why right now he is here. And all the best for your future, man.
कोई बात नहीं, शादी होने दे, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं याद रहेगा. बंदा बैचलर है.
Let me also share something about Jasmeet. Thank you, Jasmeet. So, like regarding personality, he has already covered. He's a singer, coder, excellent coder, very good singer. He's a
Dancer.
sportsman,
Dancer.
Yep. And the social media expert he is already. Like I was mentioning to Nitin that if you want to give a punishment, then we should stop the internet. So yeah, in this 5 year, it was very quick that I was also telling Jasmeet, I feel that tomorrow, he came to visit Technosys and he came here for the interview and we met in the conference room and it was like 30 hours discussion and the same, data structure. Then and after that, we got him selected. But after that, the way he has improved in terms of communication skills, in terms of confidence, best practices, coding skills, that is absolutely tremendous. In the last 5 years, he has added a lot of skill sets in his personality. Because if you are getting a chance, right, then you feel that, okay, now I need to learn this thing. He is the person who says, now I want to learn this thing, right? So that is the part of his, personality, and I would suggest Jasmeet, do not leave this, excitement about learning things. Sometimes we stop to, sharing information to him because of his, excitement. Right? Do not share this information with Jasmeet. Just wait for a couple of days. Once we will get finalization, then we will share it with the Jasmeet.
नहीं तो उसमें staging deployment कर देनी है.
And the funny part is I shared this thing with him in my one-on-one meeting, and he said, "I know, and I'm trying to improve on that thing as well." Very nice journey, Jasmeet. And one more person who is really sad about your leaving the Technosys, and that person is my wife. She will not get updates.
Live updates. आपकी काफी बातें खोली हैं इसमें.
उसके बाद भी टाइगर जिंदा है.
Even for this Bioset party, we had like they were asking, you will have drink as well. I said, no, I don't think.
एक फोटो देखी थी.
मरवा दिया भाई ने.
So it was just a dinner party, and you were having dance as well. So yeah, that's it from my side, and I wish him all the best luck for his life. I wish that he would come back to join our team as soon as possible. Thank you. Just thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Ravi and
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Year में थोड़ा पीछे.
So everybody almost cover every area, like where we can speak for Jasmeet. Like he is like can you imagine like every day you have to get up in the morning like 5 o'clock? Like we are the people like who just get up at 9 o'clock or 9:30 or 10. Some may be getting up at 10 or 10 also. Every day he is getting up. Like when we were in BC.
Yeah, I was also on that thing as well. You know, in BSc we went on Gurgaon, and in morning 5 o'clock he back up, and you know there was some cycle wo 50 cycles. He started to cycling that thing.
So like it's very hard for IT guys to like most of us have lifestyle like we are sleeping at 12 or 1 in the night. So he also like do the same thing, but waking up in 5 again, that is very difficult. I don't know how this guy is managing everything, and every day he come up in the morning, like he has so much energy, like for work or enthusiasm, but you can say like everything, so many sparks in him, like he feel everyone with his charm. So I'm also very emotional about him, like he's going today. So thank you, Nitin. Thank you very much.
Shruti ma'am, come on.
नहीं श्रुति यहाँ
Shruti ma'am, please. कोई बात नहीं. मैम ये वर्ल्ड में ब्रॉडकास्ट नहीं हो रहा है, so please. It's not broadcasting.
Quiz class was actually my first project which I had managed independently, and Jasmeet was the one who helped me a lot in that, because I was unable to meet the expectations within the time, and then I was in need of second hand for that, and then he joined quiz class, but unfortunately we didn't get much time to work on that. But it was just 1 or 2 months that he worked with me, but our relation was not didn't stopped over there, and it was just not limited to our professional life, but he is very close to me in this company. I think there are very few people who are emotionally very attached to me, so he is one of them, and I still remember that we share a lot of our stuff from our professional life and personal as well. Whenever I feel sad or I have something to share, there are very few people with whom I share, and he's one of such people, and I'm definitely gonna miss him. And I will also miss one thing, is his birthday decoration, which he always used to do at our desks, and I feel very bad that I always forgot his birthday. Then I just got the update from every time I get the update from Facebook that tomorrow is his birthday. Even I always forgot to bring him any present, but he always have given me something on my birthday. So it's kind of, there are very rare people who does something like this for you, and which makes you feel special, and he's the one. So other than professional things, I think emotionally we are very attached, and I'm definitely gonna miss him, and I hope he'll miss me as well, sure, and will never forget me. We'll keep in touch, I'm sure.
Yes.
So thank you for everything.
I forgot to mention about two Mockies friends. These are the two persons. They both give me a lot of beautiful memories in last 2 years. We spent a lot of time together, and they both really make this office hours so smooth. This man really release the pressure from his head. You can't even get bored for a second when he's sitting beside you. He's really a great guy. He's like laughing Buddha, really. So really, thanks Ravi. And you all know about Mukesh. He's very mature guy. Know all the stuff, each and everything.
अब तो शादी भी हो गई.
Wherever you go. So thanks
From
to both
last
of
week,
you.
he is much mature.
तभी तो शादी हो गई बेचारे की.
So thanks to you both.
Yes, actually, as Jasmeet said, that we have a lot of beautiful memories. Like I cannot remember a particular day. Each day was like a beautiful bouquet of memories we share every day. Like as we discussed in the morning, on the weekdays, weekends, we are not enjoying that much as much we do in the working days because of like we have so much beautiful people around. So he is one of them. Like we can share each and everything with him. Like, it is kind of the people who accept your words. So we both say like, you know, the level of words we say to him. You can go.
Lower.
So today also we were standing in a group. So we were saying something to him. So they were amazed. What are you saying to Jasmeet? I said it is okay with us. So this is a story with us. You know, we enjoyed a lot.
The body type is my excellent. Yeah?
Actually, I didn't want to bend more.
कमर में दर्द है. नहीं पैरी पौना कर करके.
So much for those beautiful times, Jasmeet.
So best of luck for you.
We are curious to.
So we had a great time together. So the one thing I always praise him like his time management system. So like he discussed, he get up early and after that he came office. So sometimes he called me like don't bring lunch. So I said where are you? I am in Ludhiana and you? I am on bed. So I said yeah why you call so early? He said I am in Ludhiana. So I said okay. Then I cut his phone and sleep again. So that was great time. So he always plan parties.
Even if he is waking so early, you can see the stress on his face.
Yeah.
Even in the end of the day.
So no doubt he is excellent in coding. He active in all the fields like you discussed in social media or in sports or in coding, everything. Like we shared everything with him, some personal problems or some memories. So it was very close to us. So one of our guy went and now he's also going. So we'll.
So you we can see Zarupa.
No, we don't have. No, we don't have.
Person to,
anybody.
actually, every lunch we used to have a chocolate which cost around 45 rupees. Now we cannot afford that because it is 25 per hand.
Now, yeah.
So we will need to look for other options in terms of sweets or in terms of guys. We need to include some.
So yeah, so I was saying him yesterday like first हम 3 थे तो एक जाने का मजाक उठता 2 हंस लेते थे. Now we are 2 only.